Understanding the TV show premiere, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very exciting topic. The phrase, TV show premiere. If you're a fan of television shows or just curious about English phrases, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in and understand what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, TV show premiere, is made up of two main parts, TV show and premiere. Let's break them down. 1. TV show refers to a program or series that is broadcast on television. This can be anything from a drama series, a comedy, a documentary, or even a reality show. 2. Premiere is a term that means the first public performance or showing of something. In the context of a TV show, it refers to the very first time an episode of the show is broadcast on television. Understanding the significance of a TV show premiere is crucial. The premiere of a TV show is a significant event because it marks the beginning of a new series or season. It often includes the most exciting or important parts of the show to attract viewers. For ongoing series, the premiere of a new season can reveal important plot developments or introduce new characters. The phrase, TV show premiere, is commonly used in everyday English, especially in conversations about entertainment. Here are some examples. Are you going to watch the premiere of the new season of your favorite TV show tonight? I heard the premiere episode has a shocking twist. The TV show's premiere was highly anticipated and had high viewer ratings. In the cultural context, TV show premieres can be major events. They are often accompanied by promotional activities like interviews, trailers, and social media campaigns. Fan events, where fans may gather to watch the premiere together. Critical reviews, which can influence the show's reception and popularity. I hope this video has helped you understand what a TV show premiere is and how it fits into both the English language and the world of entertainment. Remember, watching TV shows in English is not only fun but also a great way to improve your language skills. Happy watching and learning! See you in the next video.